How to avoid low value items when planning your product sprints.
So, I don't know whether you've heard of a two-track, three-track agile process, but there is a new additional track that should be run, which is the research ops and research track. That has to run constantly, and a special budget has to be there for that. Because all said and done, if there are going to be smaller competitors quickly getting into the same space as you, right? So if you're a large B2B organization, it will take anywhere between 9 months to 18 months for you to get out first version. But the same thing can be done by a small startup in 6 months, right? And that kind of changes the perspective of customers. And therefore, in your space, if you are continuously running some kind of research in parallel to your product development, these things will get captured. And then meaningful features and functions will come into your sprints or the next set, which will then not go into the backlog, or the other low value items will go into backlog, which is still happening right now.